Hey guys, Alan Hyman here today. I'm going to show you my Entwistle 4x4 government surplus machine, 4-wheel drive, straight frame machine. Got a winch on the back, free lift, 2-stage mast, Cummins turbo diesel showing 500 and some hours. If that ain't accurate, it ain't got much more than that. None of them do. She runs like a dream. Side shifts from one way to the other, tilts, levels itself out. Watch this, watch her run. Turbo diesel. Second gear is demo gear. Told you she's a nice machine, strong. Start cold weather, 24-volt start system, fires right off every time.